Hey, welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to be doing Texas-style pulled pork. If you like pulled pork, you're going to love this recipe. So let's get going. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to put a light coat of mustard on here as a binder. You're not going to taste it. Just going to put, like I say, a light coat on here. So our rub sticks real good. This is some really good rub. All right. Okay, this rub I've got mixed up here is a really good rub. It's got some black pepper in it. It's got salt in it, coarse ground salt. It's got granulated onion, granulated garlic, Spanish paprika in it, and it's got cumin in it. And I'll put the ingredient list right over here somewhere. It'll be up here somewhere. We're just gonna put a good coat on here. Just get a good coat on here, just like that. Pat that in. We're gonna make sure we get all the edges too, because we don't want none of this pork butt not to get flavoring on it. There we go. Turn it up like this. Yeah, man, this is about a 9-pound pork butt. It's gonna be great eating right here. And this rub is really gonna set this off. It's kind of an unusual rub, but it's gonna be really, really good. If you hadn't tried this kind of rub on a pulled pork sandwiches, you don't know what you're missing. All right, now that we got that done, we got the fat cap up. Now we're just gonna put a little bit of mustard on here. And put a good coat on here. It's gonna create an awesome bark too. All right, now then. All right, now I'm gonna let this sit here. I'm gonna go ahead and get my pellet grill going. Gonna be running it at about 225 degrees today. And it's gonna take a while to get it done, but we're gonna be pulling it when we get the bark we want. We're gonna wrap it, we'll do some other stuff to it. I'll show you how to do that. I'll be right back. Okay, our pellet grill's up to temp. We're gonna be running about 225. Like I say, we're gonna take it till we get the bark we want on it. Then I'll show you what we do from there. So let's go get it on. All right, we're gonna set this bad boy right there. Just like that. And let it rock and roll. Well, we finally got our pork butt off the smoker. Now we're just gonna break it up. Man, look at this. Just coming right apart. We took this to about 203 degrees. We let it rest for a while. Man, it just turned out awesome. Look at this. Just gonna break this up real good. Man, look at the bone. That's how you can tell whenever it's done. Whenever that bone comes out clean like that. Now we're just gonna pull this up. This is gonna make some great sandwiches right here. It smells fantastic. Yeah, I'm sure you can hear my little dog over there. He's about to eat somebody up. He's got little dog syndrome. Boy, he does love to eat this barbecue and eat stuff that comes off smoker. He helps me out a lot. So, anyway, let me get this all broke up. Man, look at this. I'm gonna have to give this a taste test here in just a minute. Just see how it turned out. Man, we're gonna be eating some fine sandwiches out of this. And that rub it made all the difference in the world. Like I say, I'll add the rub, the ingredients, and I'll add the ingredients to the rub. All right, I'm gonna have to take me a little piece of this and just give it a try. Oh man, that rub is perfect. Man, y'all really need to try this. This is some good stuff. All right. I want to thank everybody for stopping by. I want to send a special thanks out to all my subscribers and people who come watch my videos. And I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women in law enforcement that protect us and keep us safe every day, and all of our first responders. And I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women in the military and to all of our veterans. Thank you very much.